Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can send and upload GIFs to Discord. So I've got my Discord server open right here and you can find a quick little built-in GIF function in Discord. So if you go to the message box here at the bottom and look at the right side, you're going to see a small GIF icon. So if you click on that, you can use some web services that searches GIFs for you, such as Tenor, which is what Discord uses. So you can search something like waving here, and that's how you can send GIFs very quickly. But if you have your own custom made one that you edited yourself, you can upload it by clicking on the plus icon on the left side. So here, let's go ahead and click the plus, and then let's click on upload a file. So simply navigate to the file you want to upload, and I'm going to click on open. And you can also add a spoiler attachment filter and some you can also change the file name and description. So let's go ahead and press enter. And as you can see, the GIF has successfully been sent. So that's how you can send and upload GIFs in Discord. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.